Well, ladies and gentlemen, you join myself, Mr. JWW, Seb Delaney, and Seen Through Glass down at NVN Motorworks. I'm wearing my very, very fitting Christmas jumper because I feel like this is a Christmas present for myself. We are having a Ferrari road trip. Although James is just manoeuvring his Porsche GT3. Sam is over there with the engine bay open, actually. Let's see what's going on over here. The 458 is parked up. Sam, what's going on?
Something you need to know about Ferrari ownership. I know you're new to it. This is how you're supposed to start each morning. Just checking nothing's on fire. Because we had an engine warning light on the way.
This morning?
Yeah, but they just serviced the car and they had to do a lot of work, like cam belts and stuff. And on the way here, I had a light. Apparently, it's just a sensor.
Oh, that's good.
I don't really know what I'm looking for. But now I'm looking.
So this is going to be a lot of fun. We've got a 360, a classic Ferrari.
Modern classic.
A modern classic. We've also got the 458. Now today I am going to be initiated into the world of Ferrari ownership in the only way Sam knows how, by giving me the Ferrari cap. Oh yeah! And inside, Seb is getting very excited about some of the cars that MVN have.
Inside, Seb is getting excited about some other stuff. He's also a Ferrari owner.
He is?
Yeah.
But his Ferrari's in the south of France.
Good point.
Classic Ferrari owner. Oh, it's my south of France car. But today, we're basically going to go on a 24-hour road trip because there is a reason behind this. It's in the title. So once we all start jumping into the cars and start getting on our way, I'll explain a little bit more about why we are all together so close to Christmas in all of our Ferraris. All right then, everyone is in their cars. Sam is warming his Ferrari up. I'm gonna start this up. And I think first up is petrol station. Ho ho ho! So we've got a V8, two V8s, and a V12, and I believe this is the first time that we have done a road trip where we have all got naturally aspirated engines. My hands got so cold from filling that car.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. You look crazy because you've just got. Look, I can see your skin.
There is, yeah, I know, but there is a t-shirt here as well.
I know, but that's doing cool.
Look there.
Yeah, I can see it.
Anyway, Seb's in the car.
Oh, hi.
So you have joined the Ferrari owner circle. Today we're kind of being initiated into that world.
Yeah, you and I are. I feel like we're the new kids on the block.
Yeah, and if both of our cars were here, we probably would be rejected by the club because of the exhaust systems that we've put on them.
Yeah.
Yours is incredibly loud, and this is also very loud.
This is very loud. I think similar-ish volumes, honestly. I think yours is maybe louder at the top end, but mine is definitely louder idling and sort of when you move off the line and stuff like that.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Good. Sounds amazing.
Yo.
The thing is bonkers.
Yeah.
I can hear it with you behind me. It's mental.
Seb has jumped into the TDF, which I am very jealous of. We've got some GoPros hooked up. If they last the next 30 minutes or so, that will be good news. But this is really going to be the first time that I get to open up the 458 with the tubey exhaust, and the tyres still don't have much confidence in them. But we're at least going to get to hear the Ferrari. Well, all of the Ferraris, but mainly this one. Probably all of this one, actually. There are some bangs coming out the back of this. There goes James. Oh my God! Now, Sam and James have gone for a drive by themselves. I can't put more than 30% throttle down. This is ridiculous! Sounds like a race car! Wow! Oh my God! In race mode, I still lose traction. What's amazing about the exhaust is it still sounds exactly the same as a 458. It's a little bit of a Scuderia in there as well. When the valves open, this thing's just absolutely wild. Absolutely wild. Monstrous. Absolutely monstrous. And I'm basically driving it like a granny. Like literally 20% throttle. I am amazed at the quality of the tone with this exhaust, with the whole thing being completely transformed and changed, yet still sounding like a true Ferrari. Oh, cheers guys. Off they go. And I'm gonna have to creep out here. Well, this road is not built for Ferraris, definitely not built for TDFs. Fair play for JWW, fair play to JWW. What? I'm concentrating so much, and as soon as the noise stops, then wow, my heart is racing like you would not believe. This is not a bad place to end the video. The sun is setting, the lads are over there having the photo opportunities. Has it been good?
It's been awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, really cool. Also, hearing your car come just then from over there was
it good?
so loud.
Really?
But as you said, a nice sound.
Yeah.
It's not too
exactly.
Anyway, depends what you mean by nice.
Have you enjoyed it, Sam?
Yes!
Has this been a good initiation?
We need to do more of this.
We do need to do more of this.
All back together.
We do need to do more of this. Obviously, with everyone's cameras out and on the go, videos will be coming very soon from Mr. JWW, Seb Delaney, and See Through Glass. We do a Q&A with Sam, don't we? What do we talk about?
We do. We talk about highlights of 2020. We talk about whose cars we prefer to our own.
And road trips.
And road trips.
Well, as I said at the beginning of the video, the road trip was supposed to happen down in the south of France, but due to a transportation cancellation, we weren't able to get down there, meaning we decided to take all of these cars out to the west countryside of the United Kingdom for a wonderful drive. And it is freezing and very windy, but still looks incredible. All of the curves of the Ferrari, amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon. Take care, goodbye.